In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Rocket Money account. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Rocket Money into the Google search bar. Once you hit enter, you should see the official Rocket Money website listed in the search results. Look for the link that says Rocket Money, find and cancel subscriptions, track your spending, and click on it. This will take you to their homepage. Once you've landed on the Rocket Money website, look towards the top of the page for a button that says Sign Up. Clicking this will lead you to a new page where you will begin creating your account. Here, you will need to enter your name. Be sure to type your full name as you would like it to appear on your account. Following that, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email address you have access to, as Rocket Money may send you important notifications or confirmation emails. Now that your name and email are entered, it's time to look for and check the box indicating that you agree to Rocket Money's terms of service. Understanding these terms is important as they outline the company's policies with regards to user data and service usage. After you've checked the box, click on the Get Started button to proceed to the next step. Next, you'll want to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure the security of your account. Once you've successfully set your password, click on the Continue button. You're getting closer to finalizing your account, and now you'll need to select your financial goals. Consider what you hope to achieve with Rocket Money. Whether it's saving more effectively or keeping track of your subscriptions, think about how you want to use this tool. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. As you begin to customize your Rocket Money experience, you'll see options highlighted for you to click on. Doing so will provide you with further personalized setup questions and features that Rocket Money offers. After choosing the options that best fit your needs, click Continue once again. Now you're ready to link an account to your Rocket Money profile. Click on the Add button where you'll be able to choose the type of account you wish to link. Enter the required account details accurately to ensure they're connected correctly. When you're finished, click on Become a Member. Finally, once membership is confirmed, you have the option to click on Download the app to get Rocket Money on your mobile device. This allows you to access your account at any time. And there you have it, your Rocket Money account has been successfully created. Enjoy tracking your finances with ease.